You start with a plan, say half your crypto in Bitcoin, half spread across a few other coins. A few months later, one of those coins has grown so much faster than the rest that it's no longer half your portfolio. You didn't buy anything new, but your risk changed anyway. That drift is normal, and it's exactly what rebalancing is for. Rebalancing means bringing your portfolio back toward the mix you originally chose. So one strong performer doesn't quietly become most of your risk. There are two common ways to decide when to do it. The first is calendar-based. You check your portfolio on a set schedule, maybe once a quarter, and adjust if it's drifted. Calendar rebalancing is simple and predictable. The second is threshold-based. You set a rule, like rebalance if any asset moves day to day, more than a set percentage away from its target, and you act only when that line is crossed. Threshold rebalancing reacts faster to bigger moves, but checks the numbers more often. Either way, the point is the same. A rule decides, not a feeling. That matters more in crypto than almost anywhere else because prices can swing hard in a single week, and it's easy to convince yourself that this time is different. A preset rule takes that decision out of the moment. You're following a plan you made when you were thinking clearly. Think of it like pruning a garden. One plant growing fast doesn't mean it should be allowed to take over the whole bed. Rebalancing trims it back, not because it did anything wrong, but because balance is the goal, not any single plant's growth. This isn't about predicting what crypto will do next. It's about deciding ahead of time how much risk you're comfortable holding and building a habit that keeps you there. Some tools automate this rebalancing process, so the rule runs on its own instead of relying on you to remember. Full breakdown of threshold versus calendar rebalancing, including how to choose between them, is in the description.